How to design curves and circles with the Snap-it Builder. Step 1. Build the initial outline of your garden. Click to outline your garden. If you're unsure how to do this, refer back to our first video. This outline does not have to match the exact edging layout. It simply provides scale and working space for planning. Step 2. Add your Snap-it pieces into your garden. Drag the Snap-it pieces from the right panel inside of the boundary lines you have created. Ensure you do not snap the pieces to the border. You can reposition and rotate pieces by clicking and moving your mouse, building your final shape piece by piece. By repositioning and rotating pieces, you can create all sorts of shapes, like a scalloped edge or even a circle. Once you are happy with the area you have covered, proceed to the Add Cart button. A summary of your checkout will appear for review with a link to enter your payment details. Follow the fields and enter your details at checkout. Now it's time to sit excitedly for your Snap-it to arrive.